Today, I have got a real game changer for you. We all know that there's an abundance of incredible open source software out there, but finding the perfect alternative to your favorite proprietary tools can be a bit of a challenge, right? Well, I have got a solution for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic platform that simplifies this process. Whether you're looking for an open source alternative to LastPass, Adobe Premiere, or a whole bunch of other software, this website has got you covered. Stick around as I walk you through how to use this tool effectively and show you some awesome alternatives to popular software titles. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a popular software that many of us use daily. LastPass. If you've been thinking about switching to an open source alternative, opensourcealternative.to makes it a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can explore alternatives like KeePass, Bitwarden, Aegis, or LessPass. Moving on, let's tackle a heavyweight in the world of video editing. Adobe Premiere. If you're a content creator, you know how powerful and feature-rich it is. But fear not, because opensourcealternative.to is here to help you discover open-source video editing alternatives that won't disappoint. From Shotcut to OBS Studio, Lossless Cut to even DaVinci Resolve, the open-source community has cultivated some amazing options that can handle everything from basic edits to advanced cinematic projects. But wait, there's more. Opensourcealternative.to isn't limited to just password managers and video editors. This platform houses alternatives for a wide array of software categories. Whether you're seeking open source alternatives for operating systems, graphic design tools, office suites, programming languages, or even games, you're bound to find something that aligns with your needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content that empowers your tech journey. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring those open source alternatives.